Hey guys, my name is Damien Black. Welcome back to my channel on YouTube, and today I'm going to show you my exact 3-step formula I use to make an extra $3,000 per month. Now, before I get started with the formula, make sure to like this video, subscribe if you're new, and comment down below your favorite method on making money online. Now, with that being said, my name is Damien Black and I do high-ticket affiliate marketing to make a full-time income online. If you don't know what high-ticket affiliate marketing is basically you promote somebody else's product, you promote a proven product which pays out high ticket commissions, for example over $1,000 per sale. Now, high-ticket affiliate marketing is the best way to make money online because you can make lots of profit without spending a bunch of money on ads or without spending money on ads at all. Now, your job as an affiliate is to promote a proven product, and with that said, you don't have to worry about shipping, you don't have to worry about customer support, nothing. Your job is to get as much traffic to that proven offer. Now, to be able to start making high ticket commissions online, you will need to learn the basics of high ticket affiliate marketing, and you will be able to do so with this exact 15-day business builder challenge, which I also took a few months ago, which helped me learn how to sell high ticket offers. Now, this exact 15-day business builder challenge is put together by a guy named David Sharp. It's just $7 to get started, and you will also get your advisor completely for free inside the challenge. So if you want to learn how to make money online with high ticket affiliate marketing for just $7, make sure to click the first link below this video. Now, without further ado, let's get right into it. Now guys, step number 1 is to promote a proven affiliate offer. So for example, I'm going to show you 3 offers which you can potentially promote and earn high ticket commissions on. The first one is Shopify. Shopify is an e-commerce platform which you can use to create a Shopify store, and they have an amazing affiliate program, and you can earn on an average of $58 for each user who signs up for a paid plan. The next option I gave you is Clickbank. Now, Clickbank is a huge website. You probably know Clickbank already, and they have a marketplace, and you can choose a bunch of affiliate offers you can promote in any niche, the health niche or the make money online niche or the spiritual niche. There's a bunch of products you can promote on Clickbank which pays out a good amount of money. Now, the third option is Legendary Marketer. Now, Legendary Marketer is the program I promote and is the exact same program I used to learn high ticket affiliate marketing. This is no secret, guys. I'm telling you this because I truly believe that that Legendary Marketer is one of the best affiliate programs and is the best educational platform you can use to learn the skill, which is high ticket affiliate marketing. This is their commission structure, so you can see that they have a bunch of products, a bunch of low ticket products, a bunch of high ticket products, so you can really leverage Legendary Marketer to promote their products. Now, step number 2 in the 3-step formula is to have a sales funnel in place. Now, the sales funnel I use is a simple 2-page website which you will use to promote your offer, because you cannot direct the traffic, your website visitors, directly to the affiliate offer because that's just spamming. You need a simple 2-page funnel which you can use and collect emails to sell your affiliate offer. So I'm going to give you an example. So if you watch my TikTok videos or if you watch my YouTube videos, I promote Legendary Marketer. This is no secret. And if you click on my website, which is in my description, you will be redirected to the 15-day challenge, which looks like this. And this is my capture page. Now, step number 1 in the 2-page funnel is the opt-in page. Now, this website, this page is for collecting email addresses. So for everyone that comes to this page, they click this green button, they put in their name, their email address, and then they get redirected to this page. Now the second page in the funnel is the bridge page. Now this page is what links the traffic to the affiliate offer. Okay, so this is just a page with a simple video of mine, a couple of things they will learn when they sign up, something about me, how I got started, and some testimonials. Okay, and now when they click start now, they get redirected to the online business builder challenge, which is Legendary Marketer. Now this is the sales page. Once they click get started and decide they want to join, they're going to be redirected to the checkout page, and this is where I get my commission. So yeah guys, that was the second step of the 3-step formula, and now step number 3 is traffic. To make money online, you will need to market your product. You will need to send visitors to your Optin page, right? Now you can do this a bunch of ways. You can choose paid traffic, you can do Facebook ads, you can do Google ads, you can do free traffic, you can do YouTube. Now I'm going to show you how I get traffic to my Optin page, and I use YouTube, my YouTube channel. I create educational YouTube videos to help people who watch my videos a certain skill. Okay, I teach them how to get traffic to your website, how to learn high ticket affiliate marketing, and I do these types of videos, and people who are interested in what I'm promoting, they're going to click the link below my video and they're going to purchase the product if they like it. Okay, so I create YouTube videos. The next thing I do is I do simple 15-second TikTok videos, and this works wonders for me. I am able to get 5,000 views, let's see, 7,000 views here, 2,000 views. One of my videos has 17,000 views right here, and I use my TikTok to create simple 15-second videos, educational videos, and I have a call to action on each video telling my viewers to visit the link in my bio if they want to learn more. And once again, when they click the link in my bio, they get redirected to my Optin page once again. So the secret to high ticket affiliate marketing is to choose one proven product that people are already making money with. Create a simple 2-page funnel, Optin page and a bridge page. And step number 3 is to consistently drive traffic to the Optin page. Consistently create TikTok videos and YouTube videos for me. That's my marketing tactic. It can be, you can choose if you want to do TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, or so on and so forth. You get the point. But this is the simple 3-step formula I use to make a full-time income online. Yes, I make a lot of small ticket commissions, but again, if I get a bunch of people in on an offer on the front end, then I also get a bunch of commissions, high ticket commissions on the back end. Once again, if you want to learn high ticket affiliate marketing for just $7, make sure to hit the first link in the description. I'm not selling you anything, I'm just giving you a useful tip, a useful shortcut you can use. You don't have to watch a bunch of YouTube videos which are gonna lead to nowhere anyway. You can take a simple course like this, a 15-day course, a 15-day business build challenge for just $7, and you're gonna get tasks every single day. You're gonna get your own advisor which you can reach out to. This is a real person. If you have any questions, you can also talk to me on Facebook or Instagram, and I can lead you by the hand day by day. Okay, so if you want to start an online business, an online high ticket affiliate marketing business, which in my opinion is the best way to make money online today, risk free, okay, for just $7, that's nothing, and you can truly leverage a proven product. Once everything's set up, all you have to do is consistently drive traffic to your Optin page, and you can make a bunch of money online. Okay, this is no secret, a bunch of people are doing it already, and this is how I personally make a full-time income online. So if you enjoyed this video, if you found value, make sure to hit that like button, make sure to comment if you have any questions, and if you are new, make sure to subscribe, because I'm going to be posting lots of valuable videos in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit the first link below to get started today, and I'll see you in the next one.